Question paper November 2016 Part A. State the importance of name property. Name property is used to refer to control in the basic code. All names should be meaningful, indicating the purpose of the control. Used to identify the control set properties through run and design time. Question number 2. What is the purpose of message box? One of the Visual Basic built-in function is message box. A message box is a special dialog box used to display a piece of information to the user. As opposed to a regular form, the user cannot type anything in the dialog box. To support message boxes, the Visual Basic language provides a function named msgbox. How to write comments in VB? On exclamatory mark, this symbol tells the VB compiler to ignore the text following it or the comment or brief explanatory notes added to the code for the benefit of those reading it. Question number 4. State the syntax and purpose of format functions. Formatting functions impose the display format on the input numeric fields or expressions. Depending on data type, we can specify the characters for the decimal separator, thousands separators, and so on. It is used for formatting output streams. It can also be used to date and time various formats. There are two types of format functions: built-in format functions and user-defined format functions. Write short note on go-to statement. In Visual Basic, the defined label statement must always exist in the scope of go-to statement, and we can also define the multiple go-to statements in the application. Transfer the program control to the specified label statement. For example, we can use the go-to statement in the select statement to transfer the control from one select case label to another to the default label based on the requirements. Here the label statement is used to transfer the program control to the specified label statement position. Question number 6. What are the static arrays? Fixed size or static array. The array size always remains the same and does not change during the program execution. Question number 7. Define the startup form. Visual Basic form is container of all controls that make up the user interface. Every window we see in the running Visual Basic application is a form. Thus, the terms of form window describe the same entry. Visual Studio creates a default form that when we create a Windows form applications. How do you change the form in Visual Basic? Right click, open the project in Solution Explorer, choose Properties, select the Application tab, select the form from the drop down Startup Form. Question number 8. List the methods for working with forms. Method name, description. Activate. Activates the form and gives it focus. Activate MDI child. Activates MDI child of a form. Bring to front. Brings the control to the front of the user order. Center to parent. centers the position of form within bounds of the parent form. Center to screen, center to the form on the parent screen. Closes the form, contains, retrieves a value indicating whether the specific control is a child of the control. Focus sets the input focus to the control. Hide conceals the control from the user. A refresh forces the control invalidate its client area and immediate redraw itself any child controls. Scale control scales the location, size, padding, and margin of the control. Select activates the control. Send to back sends the control to back of the user order. Set auto scroll margin sets the size of the auto scroll margin. Set desktop bounds sets the bounds of the form desktop coordinates. Show displays the control to the user. Show dialog shows the form as a model dialog box. Question number 9. State the purpose of the image list control. An image list control contains a collection of images that can be used by other Windows common control. It does not appear on the form at runtime. It serves as a container for icons that are accessed by other control such as list view, tree view, tab shift, and toolbar controls. What are watch points? Watch points are special kind of breakpoints available when debugging native code rather than being associated with specific line of program data item allow to break the item value changes. Without watch points, we would have to set a breakpoint on each time where the item or any array definition of the item was used in order to monitor changes so that the item in this simple program that may not be a problem but for large complex application that would not be practical as it may be obvious where the item is used. What are the purpose of which a file can be opened in BB? A file must be opened using an I/O resource before it can be read or write to. A file can be opened to read and or write purpose. The file info class provides 4 methods to open a file: open, open read, open text, open write. The file method, the open method opens a file stream on the specified file in the specified mode. Question number 12. What is OLE automation? Automation, also called as OLE automation, in Visual Basic is the process of controlling one program from another program or external development tool. You can automate any program that contains Visual Basic object model. It is an inter-process communication mechanism between the component object model. Part B, question number 13. Explain VAL and STR functions. VAL defined returns the number of contained in a string as numeric value of appropriate type. Value of string, that is the syntax. The required string argument is valid string expression. Purpose valid val string. Visual Basic provides number of built-in functions. Val function is one of it. The val function converts the text into numeric field. Example: VAL 123, 4 will return 123, 4. VAL 123A5 will return 123 only. STR returns variant string represents of a number. STR number, the required number argument is a long containing any valid numeric expression. The purpose: when numbers are converted to strings, a leading space is always reserved for a sign of a number. If the number is positive, the returned string contains a leading space and the plus sign is implied. Question number 14. Explain edit toolbar. Edit toolbar contains buttons that are shortcuts to some commonly used menu items frequently used in editing code. We can click the toolbar button once to carry out the action represented by that button. If you want to display tooltips for the toolbar, you can select the Show Tooltips option of the General Options dialog box. Buttons, icons, descriptions, list properties. Opens a box in the code window that contains the properties and methods available for the object that precedes the period. List constants. Opens a box in the code window that contains the constants that are valid choices for the property that is typed. Quick info provides the syntax for variable, function, method, or procedure based on the location of the pointer within the name of the function, method, or procedure. Parameter info shows a pop-up in the code window that contains information about the parameters of the function in which pointer is located. Complete word accepts the characters that the Visual Basic automatically adds to the word what we are typing. Indent shifts all lines in the selection to next tab. Outdent shifts all lines the selection to the previous tab. Toggle breakpoint sets or removes breakpoint. Comment block adds the comment. Uncomment block removes the comment. Toggle bookmark toggles a bookmark on off. Next bookmark moves the focus to the next bookmark. Previous bookmark moves focus to the previous bookmark. Clears all bookmark, removes all bookmarks. Question number 15. Explain the select case with an example. A select case allows a variable to be tested for quality against list of values. Each value is a case and the variable being switched on is checked for each select case. Select case expression list statements, case else statements, end select. The expression is an expression that must contain the Evaluate to any of elementary data type: boolean, byte, character, date, double, decimal, integer, long, object. Expression list is a list of expression classes representing match values for expression. Statements following case that run if select expression maxes any closure. Else statements following the case else that if run select expression does not match any clause. Question number 16. Explain the string functions with examples. VB string functions are len, right, left, mid, trim, ltrim, rtrim, use case, L case, instr, value, str, character and ASCII. The len function is used to find out the number of characters in any given string. Len of string. Mid function finds the substring specified in the characters from the string. Mid string starting comma length. The left function exactly extracts the left portion of the string. Left string comma n. Right function extracts the right portion of the string. Right string comma n. Space function. The space function is used to return a string contain the specified number of blank spaces. Space number. The replace function. The replace function is used to replacing some text in the string with some other text. Syntax: replace string comma search text comma replace text. Trim function. Trim functions the empty spaces on both sides of the string. Trim string. The ltrim function. The uCase and LCase function. Question number 17. Bring out the general properties of FlexGrid control. The data grid control displays the row column headings above of the scrollable grid. Given below the list the public properties of data grid control: column length, data provider length, data type field, data type function, editable boolean, editor column index, editor row index, enable IME mode, item editor instance, item renderer, preserve selection, request column count, request max row count, request minimum count, request minimum row count, request row count, require selection, resizable columns, row height, number, select cell position. Selected cells, vector, selected index int, selected indices, selected item object, selected items vector, selected length, selection mode string, show data types boolean, sortable column boolean, typical item object. Variable row height boolean, column list. Question number 18, list the debugger tools. There are several debugging tools available for use in Visual Basic. Access to these tools provide with both menu options buttons on the debug tools. These tools include breakpoints, watch points, call, step. We can print directly to the immediate window while application is running. Sometimes this is all debugging you may need. A few carefully placed print selections can sometimes clear up all logic errors, especially in small applications. To print the immediate window, use the print method. Place the following statement in the command click procedure after line calling the general procedure. Debug print x comma y and run the application. Examine the immediate window. Note how at each iteration of the loop the program prints the value of x and y. You could use the information to make sure x is incrementing correctly, that y values should look acceptable. In the above examples, the program run to completion before we could look at the debug window. In many applications, we want to stop application while it is running. Examine variables that then continue running. A breakpoint is a line in code where we want to stop temporarily the execution of the program, that is, force the program into break mode. To set a breakpoint, put the cursor in the line of the code you want to break on, then press F9 or click the breakpoint button on the toolbar to select toggle breakpoint from the debug menu. When you run your program, Visual Basic will stop when it reaches the line breakpoints and allow you to use immediate window to check variables and expressions. To continue program operation after breakpoint, check the Run button on the toolbar to choose Start from Run menu. Viewing variables in the local window. The local window shows the values of any variable within the scope of the current procedure. As execution switches from procedure to procedure, the contents of this window changes to reflect only to the variables applicable to the current procedure. Watch expression. The Add Watch option of the debug menu allows to watch expression of the application. Watch expression can be edited using Edit Watch option on the debug menu. Watch expression example: set breakpoint at x equal to x plus 1 in the line example. Set the watch expression variable x. Run the application. Notice x appears in the watch window. Every time you restart the application, the value of x changes. At some time in the debug procedure, add a quick watch on y. Notice it now the watch window. Clear the breakpoint. Add a watch on the expression x equal to y. Set watch type to break when the value is true. Run the application. Notice it goes on break mode. Call stack. Selecting the call stack button from the toolbar or selecting call stack from the view will display the active procedures, that is, those have not been exited. Call stack helps to unravel situations with nested procedure to give us some idea where we are in the application. Call stack example: set a breakpoint on the FCN equal to cint line in general function procedure. Run the application. It will break at this line. Press call stack button. It will indicate the currently FCN procedure which was called from the command 1 click procedure. Single stepping in, step into. While a breakpoint, you may execute program one line at time by pressing the F8, choosing the step into option in the debug menu, or by clicking step into button on the toolbar. This process is single stepping, allows you to watch how variables change. You may step through several lines at a time by using run cursor options. With this option, click on line below the cursor the current point of the execution. Procedure stepping, step over. While single stepping program, if we come to a procedure call, functions properly, you can perform the procedure stepping. This simply executes the entire procedure at once rather than the step at a time. To move through a procedure in this manner, press Shift plus F8. Function exit, step out. While stepping through program, you wish to complete the execution of the function we are in without stepping through line by line, choosing the step out option. The function will be completed and will be returned to the procedure accessing the function. Perform this step out. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8. Choose step out from the debug menu. Question number 19. List and explain the file handling functions. A file is a collection of bytes stored on a disk with a given name called file name. Every development tool provides access to these files on the disk. File controls. There are three special controls called file controls which deals with files and directories. File handling. The following are three important steps: opening the file, processing the file, and closing the file. File access type depends upon the requirement of the three different access: sequential for reading and writing the files, random for reading and writing, binary for reading and writing arbitrarily structured files. Opening the file using open statement. A file is opened using open statement. Name of the file is to be opened. The mode the file to be opened. The file number. Each file contains a file number. Open the path for the mode. Open file name for input as hash1, while not end of file line hash1 temp string wind close 1. One or more example will be worthwhile. Suppose the data consists of columns. You need next extract the number of columns that we want. How it could done for the case of having three numbers. Part C, data types in VB. Visual Basic variables are of variant data types. The variant data types can store numeric, date, time, or string. When the variable is declared as data type, it is applied for that determines kinds of data they can store. The fundamental data type, including variant such as integer, long, single, double, string, currency, byte, boolean. Visual Basic supports a vast array of data types. Byte, 1 byte, 0 to 25 values. Integer, 2 bytes. Long, 4 bytes. Single, 4 bytes. Double, 8 bytes. Currency, 8 bytes. Non-numeric data type. The non-numeric data type comprises text or string data types, the date data types, the boolean data type that can store only two values. String length of string length plus 10 bytes, date 8 bytes, boolean 2 bytes, object 4 bytes, variant 16 bytes. Discuss about functions and procedures. We use procedures and functions to create modular programs. Visual Basic statements are grouped in a block enclosed by sub, function, and matching end statements. A procedure and a function is a piece of code in a larger program that perform a specific task. The difference between the two is the functions return values, procedures that do not. Advantages of procedures and functions are reducing duplication of code, decomposing complex problems into smaller pieces, improving clarity of code, reuse of code, information hiding, procedures. Procedures is a block of Visual Basic statements inside sub and sub statements. Procedure do not return values. This example shows the basic usage of procedure. Procedure are defined outside the main procedure. Procedure name follows the sub statement. When we call a procedure inside the Visual Basic, the control is given to the procedure. Statements inside the block of procedure are executed. Options strict on module example submain dim x as integer equal to 52 55 dim y as integer as 32 addition x comma y end sub addition by value k as integer by value I as integer console write line k plus 1 end sub end module. In the above example, we pass the values to the addition procedure addition x comma y. We define a procedure signature. A procedure signature is a value of describing the parameter and parameter types with which a legal call to function can be made. It consists of names of procedures, parameters, and the types. In case of functions, also the return values. By val keyword specifies how to be pass the values to the procedure. Functions. Functions is a block of VB statements. Inside functions, end function statement. Functions return values. There are two basic types of functions: built-in function and user functions. The built-in functions are part of VB language. These functions are mathematical string and conventional functions, such as absolute, round, or the mathematical functions. Option strict on module example lim x as integer 55 y as integer 32 dim result as integer submain result equal to addition x comma y console dot write line addition x comma y. Function addition by value k as integer by value I as integer return k plus 1 end function end value. The two values are passed as to the function. We add these values and return to the main function. Passing parameters by value by reference. Visual Basic supports two values of passing parameters to the function by value by reference. For this, we have two keywords by val by reference. When we pass function to value, function works only with the copies of the values. This may lead to performance overheads when we work with large amounts of data. When we pass values by reference, the function receives the reference to the actual values. The original values are affected when modified. This way of passing values is more time specific efficient. On the other hand, module scope, procedure scope. A scope is a range in which the variable can be referenced. A variable which is declared inside the procedure as a procedure scope. It is valid only in the particular procedure. A variable declared inside the module as a module scope, it is valid everywhere in the module. Question number 22. Write procedure to sort set of names in the alphabetic order. Dim I as long, dim I minimum as long, I max as long, dim variable swap as variant, dim swapped as boolean, I minimum equal to L bound variable, I max U bound P where array, do boolean swapped equal to false for I minimum to I max if p variable array of I is greater than p variable array of I plus 1, then variable swap p variable array of I equal to p variable array of I plus 1, p variable array of I plus 1 equal to variable swap, boolean swap equal to true, and if next I max minus 1 loop until ends up. Question number 23. Discuss any 5 common controls. Scroll box, input fields, combo box, checkbox, radio buttons, group frames, text controls, button hyper, trees. Scroll bar should follow common interaction patterns for Windows control bars unless they are augmented with content information. Input fields, visual style. Input fields should be styled in utility dialogs. Use the basic style intrinsic to control. Specialized interactions. Read-only fields will have a gray disabled background but default active foreground. Required fields should have the required watermarks within them. Error validations, see notification and progress for Visual Studio. Input fields should be sized to fit content, not to fit width of auto window in which they are shown. Not to arbitrarily match the length of the long field like path. Visual style. Radio buttons. In utility dialogs, it is not styled radio buttons. Use the basic style intrinsic control. It is not necessary group that includes radio choices unless we need to maintain group distinction in right layout. Group flames for typical interaction behavior. Follow the window desktop guidelines for group frames. Visual style. In utility dialogs, don't style group. Use the basic style intrinsic to the control. Layout. It is not necessary to use the group frame to enclose the radio choices unless you need to maintain group distinction in tight layout. Never use the group frame for single control. Specialized interactions. It is not necessary to use a group of enclosed radio choices unless needed to maintain group discussions. Layout. It is not necessary To use group frame to enclose radio choices unless needed to maintain group distinction. Never use a group frame or a single control. It's sometimes acceptable to use horizontal rule instead of group framing container. Text controls. Static text fields. A static text field presents read-only information and cannot be selected by the user. Avoiding using it for any text the user might want to copy to the clipboard. However, read-only static text can change to reflect change in state. In the example below, the output name static text under the information group changes to reflect anyway the changes made to the root namespace text box above it. There are two ways to display the static text information. Static text can be on its own in the dialog box without any containment when there is no grouping conflict. Static text info, text in controls. Static text in properties window. Read only text box. This allows user to select text inside the field but not to edit. These text boxes are bordered by usual 3D sigil with a button shadow fill. Using text in dialogs. Key guidelines for text in dialog boxes. Label for text boxes, list boxes, frames, dialogs, and within verbs have initial capital for the first word only, end with a colon. The text controls in the theme dialog follow Windows Desktop UX guidelines. Do not take in punctuation with the exception of question marks, else links. Example for checkbox option button start verb initial capital and first word should have no editing punctuations. Hypertext included in dialogues to help the user to understand the dialogue purpose to indicate which action to take. Helper text should only when needed to avoid cluttering simple dialogues. Explain the mouse event procedures. Question number 24. Events are basically user actions like key press. Most movements, example, are some occurrences like system generated notifications. Applications need to respond to the events when they occur. Clicking on a button or entering something in the text box or clicking on the menu item all are examples of events. All events is an action that calls a function or may cause another event. Event handlers are functions that tell how to respond to an event. Types of events are mouse events and keyboard events. Mouse events are mouse down. It occurs when the mouse button is pressed. Mouse enter when the mouse is pressed. Mouse over overs the control. Mouse leave. Mouse point leaves the control. Mouse move moves the control. Moves up the control. Mouse wheel moves the control as focus. Mouse event properties has buttons pressed, clicks indicates the distance, wheel rotated. Delta x and y are the x and y coordinate of the mouse click event. The following is an example which shows how to handle the mouse events. Add three labels, text boxes, controls. Change the text properties label to customer ID, name, address. Change the properties text box, text ID, text name, text address respectively. Change the name text button to submit. Add the following code to the editor window. Then we can see the screen like this. Tutorial point, customer ID, name, address, and below that it is the submit.